7 Core Principles of ISO 26000, a guide to ethical
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Organizational practices. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, is becoming increasingly diverse and complex, and businesses need to ensure that their activities align with ISO standards that improve the environment and society at large. With its outline of fundamental values that directs companies in their dedication to ethical conduct, ISO 26000 benefits offer a useful framework for social responsibility. Any business trying to enhance its social responsibility programs and make a significant impact must grasp these principles. What is ISO 26000? An international standard called ED ISO 26000 was created about how to instruct businesses to conduct themselves in a socially conscious way. ISO 26000 provides comprehensive guidance for businesses aiming to integrate social responsibility into their processes, though it isn't a certifiable standard. Unlike many other ISO guidelines, it was shaped through a global collaboration of stakeholders, making it a versatile and adaptable framework suitable for organizations across all industries and sizes. ISO 26000 7 Core Principles of Corporate Social Responsibility. The 7 core principles of ISO 26000 are as follows. 1. Accountability in ISO 26000. A key component of the ISO 26000 framework, accountability focuses on an organization's accountability for its options and actions. This idea motivates businesses to take responsibility for the consequences they have on the community and the environment. Importance of accountability. Accountability fosters credibility and trust among stakeholders for organizations. This principle requires that corporate governance, performance measures, and the outcomes of management decisions be reported transparently. Through the implementation of accountability mechanisms, organizations can prove their honesty and integrity practices and foster greater relationships with stakeholders, such as clients, staff, and the community. 2. Transparency in ISO 26000. Open communication about an organization's performance and decision-making procedures, both day and operations, is a key component of transparency, which is intrinsically tied to accountability. This idea encourages directness and openness, trying to ensure that all involved parties are aware of the situation and deeply participate. Building trust through transparency. Transparency is necessary to gain stakeholders' trust. Businesses that are open about their processes, successes, and challenges help to create a climate of trust and cooperation. This principle says that in order for stakeholders to participate in serious discussion and make well-informed decisions, organizations should make information easily accessible and intelligible. 3. Ethical behavior in ISO 26000. The ethical behavior that guides organizations to conduct their business in an ethical manner forms the basis of ISO 26000. The importance of integrity, equity, and respect in all business dealings is highlighted by this principle. Cultivating a culture of ethics. It takes constant training and reinforcement of ethical practices among stakeholders and employees to create an ethical culture within an organization. Constructing codes of conduct, offering instruction in moral decision-making, and setting up possibilities for reporting unethical work are all recommendations for organizations. Organizations can improve their reputation and create lasting bonds of trust and integrity by encouraging ethical behavior. 4. Respect for stakeholder interests in ISO 26000. As suppliers, customers, employees appreciate and acknowledge the community at large all have interests, this principle underlines how important it is to those interests. In order to understand stakeholders' expectations and concerns, organizations must actively engage with them. Engaging stakeholders effectively. Through open dialogue and cooperation, organizations participate actively stakeholders in their operations to ensure that they meet their expectations. Organizations can effectively address concerns and gather feedback by trying to implement various platforms such as focus groups, surveys, and community discussions. Stakeholder feedback is prioritized by organizations to help them improve their social responsibility programs, which ultimately leads to the advancement of sustainable development. 5. Respect for the rule of law in ISO 26000. A requirement of their focus on social responsibility is that organizations abide by all applicable laws and regulations. This idea highlights how crucial following the law is to encourage moral behavior, legal compliance, and social responsibility. Maintaining integrity and trying to encourage ethical behavior in business practices, ensuring proper to legal frameworks. To make sure that the law is followed, the company has to set up strong compliance programs, carry out frequent audit reports, and offer legal obligations training. Organizations can show their dedication to moral behavior and social responsibility by applying the law. 6. Respect for international norms of behavior in ISO 26000. This principle encourages organizations to align their practices with international standards and norms. By respecting international norms, organizations can enhance their global reputation and ensure ethical practices across borders. Aligning with global standards. Maintaining international standards such as the OECD guidelines for multinational enterprises and the UN Global Compact, and combining these ideas into daily operations, is the responsibility of organizations. Businesses can encourage global sustainable development, attract foreign partnerships, and increase their credibility by being consistent with international standards. 7. Respect for human rights in ISO 26000. Since ISO 26000 requires organizations to acknowledge and protect the dignity of every person, human rights is essential. In organizational operations and supply chains, this principle shows how important it is to promote social justice, promoting dignity and fairness. To guarantee fair treatment, forbid discrimination, stakeholders, and uphold the rights of organizations must forcefully promote human rights. This includes dealing with problems like child labor, forced labor, and job discrimination. Organizations can promote social justice and improve their standing by cultivating a human rights culture.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.